Think YouTube is still a crowded, impossible game? Think again. In 2025, YouTube is officially on easy mode, and creators of all levels ease, even beginners, are blowing up faster than ever. Thanks to algorithm changes, the rise of shorts, built-in AI tools, and multiple new monetization paths, the playing field has never been more open. You don't need fancy gear or a massive budget. Just a smartphone, a little strategy, and the right approach. We'll reveal exactly why anyone can go viral in 2025 and how you can do it too. Today, we will talk about YouTube is now on easy mode. Anyone can blow up in 2025. So, before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Shorts have leveled the playing field. One of the most transformative changes in recent YouTube history has been the explosive rise of YouTube Shorts. With vertical video dominating in 2025 and mobile-first consumption at an all-time high, Shorts provide the fastest way to gain exposure, rack up millions of views, and build a subscriber base from scratch. You don't need fancy editing, expensive gear, or even a lot of time. Just a compelling hook in the first 3 seconds and content under 60 seconds that either entertains, educates, or surprises. Shorts are still favored by the algorithm and often pushed to global audiences, regardless of channel size, making virality more achievable than ever. In fact, some creators gain 100,000 plus subscribers from just one breakout short. YouTube has also introduced Shorts monetization, which now counts toward revenue and fan engagement through super thanks, shopping integrations, and channel memberships, giving even micro creators financial incentive to scale. 2. YouTube's algorithm is now more transparent and forgiving. For years, creators complained about the mysterious and sometimes punishing behavior of YouTube's recommendation system, but in 2025, YouTube has improved algorithmic transparency and moved toward a more behavior-driven and creator-friendly model. Key changes: newer videos get a real shot. YouTube now tests every video with a small, targeted audience before determining its wider push, regardless of subscriber count. Click-through rate, CTR, watch time, and satisfaction surveys are now clearly prioritized over vanity metrics like likes or comments. Retention is king. Videos that hold attention, even if not perfectly polished, get rewarded with more impressions. Creators are encouraged to post more niche content for specific communities, which YouTube can now categorize and recommend with higher precision. This means you no longer need to go viral to grow. You just need to consistently engage a focused audience, and YouTube will help amplify your content. 3. AI tools are empowering creators like never before. In 2025, YouTube content creation is turbocharged by generative AI tools, many of which are free or integrated directly into platforms. You no longer need a team to succeed. You can now script entire videos using AI copywriters, generate high-quality voiceovers with natural tones in multiple languages, use AI editors like Runway, Pika, or Adobe Sensei to cut and polish your videos, create thumbnails with AI image tools that auto-optimize for clickability. Use YouTube's own AI captioning and dubbing tools to reach global audiences instantly. 4. Low competition, niches are thriving again. Contrary to popular belief, 2025 isn't an oversaturated creator market. It's one where new niches are emerging daily and underserved audiences are craving content. Some of the hottest new micro niches with low competition and high demand include AI tutorial content. With generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Sora transforming workflows, a massive wave of beginners are searching for easy-to-follow, real-world AI tutorials. Channels that simplify AI use for students, entrepreneurs, writers, and designers are thriving. A niche within a niche? Prompt crafting for niche tasks like storytelling, resume writing, or real estate listings. Digital wellness and detox. Burnout from constant screen time is real. Creators focusing on how to build healthy digital habits, reduce screen dependency, or unplug without anxiety are gaining traction. Think daily dopamine detox logs, minimalist phone setups, productivity without notifications, or 1 week off-grid challenges. Local tourism guides. While global travel is still popular, there's a boom in hyper-local travel content. Hidden gems, neighborhood walking tours, day trips from small cities, and cultural food explorations in suburban or rural areas. These channels are capitalizing on location-specific search traffic and are often the only content in their area. With drone footage and GoPro-style walks, even simple documentation becomes compelling. Zero-budget filmmaking. Minimalist home tech, career switching after 30. Silent vlog/ambient storytelling, 5. YouTube search traffic is stronger than ever. While social platforms rely heavily on virality, YouTube still acts as the world's second-largest search engine, and that gives you a massive advantage as a content creator in 2025. People go to YouTube with questions, and your videos can be the answer permanently. Thanks to Google's deep integration with YouTube, videos now appear higher in Google search than ever before. Featured snippets are increasingly video-based. Video chapters, transcripts, and timestamps help Google index your content better. Tools like Google Trends, Search Console, and TubeBuddy help you pinpoint what people are asking and how to rank for it. Unlike the fast, swipe-based nature of short-form platforms, people go to YouTube with purpose. They're searching for answers, tutorials, inspiration, entertainment, or in-depth reviews. In other words, they already know what they want. And if your content matches their search query, you become their solution. This means your content isn't just a momentary blip, it has the potential to generate views for months or years, creating a snowball effect of exposure and subscriber growth. The best part? Search-driven content keeps working for you long after it's uploaded. While viral videos often have a shelf life of 2,472 hours, evergreen search content like tutorials, reviews, product comparisons, and educational explainers can continue bringing in thousands of views a month with zero additional effort. If you create 12 searchable videos per week, by the end of the year, you've built a content library that feeds you passive traffic indefinitely. Google Trends helps you track keyword demand, regional interest, and rising topic ideas so you can create what people are already searching for. Google Search Console lets you see how your YouTube videos are ranking across Google results, including impressions and click-throughs from search. TubeBuddy and vidIQ integrate directly with YouTube, suggesting titles, tags, and descriptions that increase your chances of ranking. Newer AI tools even auto-optimize thumbnails and metadata, giving creators a major competitive edge without needing a deep SEO background. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.